Okay, Words Their Way, day 3. Let's look at the schedule for today. We have our North group. For your sort and write, that's going to actually be done on Seesaw. You're going to need your QR code, and it's going to look like a regular worksheet. Okay, we're going to hit the add response. I'm going to pretend to be Bryson here, and then your words are up here in this box. These are the only words that you need to worry about sorting. And you're going to click this T, type your word, and then, bring it to whichever column it belongs to. So it has the 2 E's, so we know it's going to go over here. You can resize them however you need to. Might need to be even smaller. Okay, so it's kind of a sort, but instead of writing, we're typing them out. Okay, so that's what North group is doing. For our South group, you guys, instead of doing a partner sort, because I know we don't have our actual cards, right? You are coming to Seesaw. You too will need to have your QR code, right? And you're going to just do a sort on here. Here's your directions. Tap the add response, use the capital T tool to sort your words, and then make sure you tap this circle with a check mark so that you can turn your paper in, right? And this is just your basic sorting. So we're going to pretend to be Isaac here, and you have your words down here, and your target words are up here: thumb, few, and do. And you just pick them up and drag. If it's an oddball, like do, do is, it would be down here. And you can resize them too, if you need to. Okay, so that is the South group's activity. Now, East group, you are taking your test today. So you won't be able to click on your green circle because you need to click on your square up here, and that's going to take you to your spelling test. Okay. West group, you are going to be clicking on, let's see, you're going to be clicking on your green circle because that will take you to the lesson that we would have done if I was at school and we would have gone out into the hallway to do our lesson. Instead, I'm going to record it and you're going to do it here. Actually, you know what? Click up here on this box because I'm going to use the activity that's attached to this circle for our lesson. So when it's time for you guys to watch the video, you're going to click up here. All right. Okay, Northeast group, you don't have words to actually cut out, so you're going to be doing some context clue work with your sentences and your words. Paper looks like this. We'll pretend to be Addie. Okay, and if you need to zoom in over here. Okay, and then we are going to read your sentence, pick which word up here would make sense in the sentence, click your T tool here to type the word, resize it, and drag it down. Okay? That's all you guys are going to do. I imagine a lot of you guys are probably going to be finishing early. So just remember that when you do finish early, you can come up here to your boxes and you can go to Spelling City to continue practicing and playing some games. Okay? And that's going to be it for Words Their Way directions. Okay? West group, you're going to want to click on the box up here after this video so that you can do your lesson. Okay guys, have fun.